snap looks pretty golden right here. You know, little intraday. Triangle, which you should always look for those. Banks look like they're shitting a stick. There's another pullback. mRNA is still hanging out. This is a solid pullback. I don't know what I'm looking for. See, most of the watch list is turning red. Futures are now red. FDA expected to announce decision on Pfizer booster Wednesday. Oh, Biden's talking. Okay. Only Biden knows how to dump the market. I'm gonna start adding to Airbnb still. Got you guys are watching on YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe. I give some good content on here. I'm starting to work it up more. I do give my daily recaps I do to my Discord. I do give them a day late, but I still do give them out. Not pins fell off. Wow. Might do pins. Pins is ugly. So QQQ, they're buying this dip right here. They are buying it 930, so they got some time on it. 930s, 370s. So as long as this recovers the high of the day, they appreciate everyone giving me some birthday love. Snow falling SPY. Let's see if any stocks are. What I like to do when the market's falling right now, I like to go see what stocks are up on the 15-minute. So you got Chewy. Let's see what Chewy's doing. Chewy's up on the 15-minute. Chewy is spelled with a C. Chewy actually broke this downtrend. I might actually. I want to get into Chewy. Might wait till Biden talks or what Powell talks, but Chewy right here on the weekly. This is my buy zone right here. It came in here, shot up, came back down here, shot up, and then hopefully third time comes back down in this buy zone, shoots up. There we go. Half the watch list is red now. That candle right there, that high volume, that kind of scares me a little bit. But I'm holding on. I think Powell's going to be our friend today. We did get into a lot of long calls today. CRM, if you guys aren't into CRM, definitely get into CRM. I mean, CRM's just going to pay. I mean, I'm so positive that once it breaks over this 261, faked it today. Use TradingView for a scanner. One of many scanners right here. I like to use extended, so it's on my watch list. Like if you watch list, blue flag all your watch lists. That's the only thing. Obviously, if you're watching volume not in your watch list, you're just gonna get all the pharmaceutical things. But I like to do it on my watch list. Watch this pre-market volume. So right here, pre-market, I'm watching just out of the ordinary stocks that aren't really up here. So obviously Uber was up here, QS was out of the ordinary, Lucid, Vips. Vips isn't up here. DraftKings was up here, but it was red. So kind of just like this is more institutional buying because obviously someone wrote F. Awesome. Should be concerned about Lucid? No, Lucid's long term. Nothing's wrong about Lucid right here. I mean, that break 2350. If it breaks below 2350, that's gonna be my stop. But yeah, right here institutional buying, and then I go to change percent, and I have it set up where I like to watch relative volume on this 15-minute, and watch just spikes on relative volume. So you can tell DKS relative volume probably falling off a cliff with volume though. That's the main thing. We're falling with volume. I think D King's done pulling back. Man, I should have got the puts. DraftKings, let's look. I mean, that's an ugly weak candle. I mean, I would not try to catch the knife on that one. Um, Definitely the main thing you're looking for is it to make a, you know, not to fall past this monthly trend. Where I have too many lines, so it's kind of hard to see, but as long as we're making an uptrend on the stock overall, DraftKings, you could go far. I'll just sort of back down below. You could go far on it, but yeah, this thing's just falling off. That's sad. Yeah, I heard he just wants to give away money. Biden ruins everything. Airbnb right here, 168. This thing's gonna be good. Am I still bullish on Facebook? Yes. I'll pull up the Facebook chart and just message someone. Facebook right here, it's still holding this 356. I was hoping above it hold above 359. You can tell right now this right here, no volume. It's moving, no volume. So it's just hanging out. So it's really no concern. This move down a little extra volume, but I think once volume goes into Facebook, we should go back up. This bounce off 350 right here. We bounced. Basically, we broke above once, bounced here, and then bounced there. So 3 out of 4. Let's keep that. Keep going up. Up starts up. Man, this thing. Up starts at 315. I'll put this out as a free alert. Hopefully people took it. We were up, way up earlier on it, and the market sent it down. mRNA, I'm still holding mRNA. We're still an inside day. Technically, it could be a double inside day, so that definitely is a huge move one way or the other. Lucid, yeah, Lucid. Don't be concerned about Lucid. Look at this thing. This thing's so originally called Lucid about this bounce off 1750. And look at this thing. We had an inside week here, and we just straight up went. So when we break over this, 30 mark, right about here, probably earlier, probably 29. We'll just say there. Normal. I mean, it was 75, but that was on news. But we have a gap fill. But Lucid, just watch Lucid at close. It's gonna fly at close. It's been doing it every day. I really wanted to pull back to this 23 to 24 area to get into it, so I kind of chased. But you look at this overnight pop. Last night, overnight pushed. We have good moves. Overnight, really not much flow going into the market right now. Turn off extended. Blink kind of faked me out, but I'm long. I mean, as long as you're long on some stocks, you're good through this. So we got SPY puts above ask coming in. We're still fading. Roku's about back even. I'm holding one runner. That was a good push it open. I think stop right here. If it holds this, we could break above. For sure, for sure. Uber, Airbnb, Slant, Lucid's good. Blink, alright. mRNA. Roblox fallback. So Roblox, this downtrend is my stop. We kind of tested this breakout right here. You can tell right here we tested. So this is the way I look at it. Okay, we're gonna test. This is 5-minute candle. We're testing this breakout, high volume. See if we can get a. We tested high volume. The next candle was red, so sellers stepped in. So what they're gonna do is come down. They're gonna grab more buyers, and then they're guys, they're grabbing more buyers at people who want to buy at 77, 76, and they're gonna round back up. VIX puts, SPY. See, SPY puts are coming in, but they're above the ask. So definitely we are going to start seeing a pullback again. Let me go back to a 5-minute chart. So yeah, we're definitely pulling back. I'm just holding on. The only weekly I got into was Facebook, mRNA, which I'm going to hold because it's probably going to end up a double inside day in Airbnb. SPY. I mean, it's 433.56 right here is definitely what bulls need to hold. I thought end of day. A lot of people thought end of day they'd fake out here and just drop the market. But it's 433.56. Definitely keep that on your chart. They need to hold that one. But also SPY is getting killed with banks are not looking good. VIX is up to 25.50. I want this damn thing under 20. Upstart still going. Thing's about to be 317. Overstock I liked, but I'm not gonna get to. I'm not gonna overexposure myself going into Powell. Airbnb, this thing wants 168. So if you guys aren't Airbnb, I'm averaged down on this pretty well. Message retracted. What that message is. With SPY puts, you definitely wouldn't have been good. If we break below and hold on to 5-minute candle is 433.56, yeah, definitely. But main thing is 5-minute candle, volume's probably gonna increase. We're bouncing back. So if we break below this, we could see yesterday's low. Let's look at this. We're just working on low volume right now. So if you do want to do it when it breaks below this, I wouldn't go that size and that much. See, there's a nice bounce. But of course, when we have a nice bounce in 3-4 candles, what we're gonna do? Go back down. Here's Facebook. It's still holding this 356. You know, if you go a 15-minute candle, we did close the previous candle here, but I'm still liking Facebook. I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys. Go. Alright, I'll be back for a second, and then I gotta go for a second. Ooh, hood popped. Alright, I'm back. Microsoft. I'm not messing with Microsoft. Let's look at this on the daily. You know, right here. Look at this. All chop. No direction. You were just trading sideways. Definitely nothing I want to get into. Facebook had a nice pop. Not really, but premiums went up a little bit. Roblox turned red. And there's Snap. Simple intraday. Sudden triangle. Could pay that dollar move to the upside. I mean, you don't need any indicators for this move right here. AMD making a nice push. I'm still holding my 10, 15 calls. I'm RNA. I still like this. We're double inside day so far. Netflix. Um, Mysterio and Golden. I'm gonna switch over to R&B. Just let you know, I'm still gonna be on YouTube. Is there any what? Why can't my volume work? Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that was popping up.
locally, I fly in Spirit, but if I'm going far away, I usually grab Qatar.
Hey Jay, Robin Hood popped.
Bro, it's that shit is the bomb.
It's just flying. Look at it, it's flying. Yeah, Hood.
I don't know. This guy might be lying.
I'm not.
Oh, let's go!
I banked that open. All right, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off YouTube, guys. Appreciate it. Trying to wrap up, spend some time.